This video is for how to redirect picking behaviors. Now, one very creative way to redirect picking and to sort of build it into your routine is to have your child pick at items that really should be picked at, something that's functional. So an example that I really like, if your child enjoys corn or if your family enjoys corn, peeling corn and picking off the little strings can be an immensely gratifying activity sensorily. It can really alleviate picking, and it's also very functional. So doing functional types of tasks that involve picking is a nice way to redirect the behavior. It's also a completely natural activity in terms of a food prep. So it's something that can be built in to a week. Again, if you have a family that has corn in the diet, if you have a family that really enjoys this type of a food, you can do this and just build it into a sensory lifestyle. So think of things that you can pick, think of types of foods that might be involved in food preparation or within some kind of another task, and just try to make activities as functional as possible so that there can be a lot of sensory alleviation in a very natural and expected way, and in very creative ways that can really help keep kids' hands busy. So give this one a try if you haven't tried it. It's really a lot of fun.